Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best denture reline kits that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DenSureFit Lower Denture Reline Kit. Denture Reline Kits are generally not easy things to deal with. Many of them come with the separate ingredients for the soft lining, often requiring you to do a precise mix of these chemicals. And as such, will often have the possibility of the mix not being done right, thus ruining everything. With such a risk, on top of the normal care of dentures causing a lot of inconvenience, there is definitely a need for a denture reline kit that is much easier to apply. The DenSureFit Silicone Denture Reline Kit is an over-the-counter kit that helps solve many of the issues associated with relining dentures. The fixative included in this kit is a high-quality medical silicone that guarantees a tight and secure fit, with the added benefit of not causing any allergic reactions. The substance comes ready-made in syringe applicators, which will allow you to forget about messy mixes and the need to cool the prosthesis with the substance before use. Moving on. At number 4, we have the ProSoft Denture Reline Kit. Dentures, by their very nature, tend to be quite uncomfortable for most people. This tends to be the case regardless of the build of the dentures themselves, or even of the liner. As such, many of those who wear dentures are always on the lookout for relining kits that can offer maximum comfort. Although many relining kits claim that their formula and process is the easiest and most comfortable, few manage to live up to that claim. The ProSoft Denture Reliner 2PS Soft Flexible Denture Reline Kit, on the other hand, manages to achieve this by using a zinc-free formula that provides maximum comfort while being allergenic-free. The process of mixing and applying the soft lining substance of this kit does tend to be long, and to some users it might be tedious, but the results of the effort are more than worth it, according to many users. With the maximum comfort provided by the semi-permanent lining, along with the lack of negative effects such as bad odors or tastes, this denture reline kit is a worthy purchase for anyone who has had problems with discomfort from denture liners. At number 3, we have the Permasoft Denture Reliner Kit. While some people may be fine with this, others often find the process of having to reline their dentures so often to be tedious and time-consuming. Many of these same people would be quite happy with a relining kit that is longer lasting than what is typically offered. The Permasoft 2CO8 Denture Reliner Kit is the perfect solution for those who want a longer lasting liner. This semi-permanent lining kit uses a zinc-free lining substance that is soft yet firm, and which will last for up to 2 years with just one application. This is a far cry from the 2 or 3 months that most other soft liners will last. This long-lasting soft reliner kit includes enough material to work on full dentures, and is both safe and effective to use with partial dentures as well. The kit comes with easy-to-follow instructions for mixing and applying the liner, making it one of the easier kits to use. Some users have noticed a slight chemical taste once the liner is first applied, but thankfully the taste should dissipate after a short time. If you are looking for an easy-to-use, soft relining kit that is both safe and long-lasting, then this denture repair kit should be your best bet. At number 2, we have the Acryline Geeloa Advanced Formula Denture Reliner. Fixing denture linings isn't always the easiest task to perform. In fact, some kits can be so complicated that many users would rather not go through the hassle of using them. Thankfully though, that's not the case with every denture reline kit. As a great example, the Acryline Denture Reliner Kit is designed to easily fix dentures on both the upper and lower jaw, removing the hassle that other kits require, while also providing a strong liner that won't wear out easily. This makes it possible to forget about painful sensations during the lining process, as well as embarrassment when smiling or talking. Although this may not be the easiest to use solution out there, it is still extraordinarily easy for a power-based kit. The set includes cups for gentle mixing of the powder and liquid, as well as an ergonomic spoon and 2 cotton swabs that can be used for applying the lining. Thus, everything you need will be immediately at hand. The kit is fully disposable, and its low price means you can just pick up another one once you have used the initial package. And finally, at number 1, we have the Permasoft Soft Denture Lining. With most denture relining kits, it is hard to get the right mix of comfort and effectiveness. There always seems to be some kind of trade-off between the two. What's worse, though, is that what one person might find comfortable, the next person might not, so it is hard to find a kit that can find that right balance of comfort for most people. The Permasoft 5,17,103,251,005 soft denture lining does its best to solve this problem by providing a highly adaptable lining substance, which can be adapted based on the mixture. The soft liner of this kit is made from a mixture of the power component of polyethyl methacrylate and the liquid component consisting of di-N-butyl phthalate, ethyl acetate, and ethyl alcohol. Getting the right mixture of these components should give you the ideal fit and comfort that you are looking for. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.